Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessica. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm going to be making a quick little video on some simple and fast hairstyles that you can do. If you're a mom or always on the run having to do something, these are going to make your life so much easier. So first off, I straightened all of my hair the night before and it lays pretty nicely. What I usually do so it stays straight the whole night, I just grab like a hair tie that is not too tight. It's a little bit more looser. And usually at night, I just grab my hair and then just tie it at the bottom or the top. And usually I just take off my hair tie and it actually stays in place. It's nice and straight and silky. But yeah. Let's get started. So if you already have your hair nice and straight or curly and you have to be ready in like, let's say a minute or so, you guys can always grab a cute fashionable hat just like this one. This is one of my favorites. It's super cute and I got this one at Target. So you just pretty much get dressed, do your makeup. I have a couple videos that are super quick, easy makeup. Make sure to check those out. So I just grab a hat, put it where I want it, and then I just grab my brush, comb my hair out, make sure it's laying nice and cute, brushing it out, making sure that I got all the tangles, and see, you actually tried. So there it is, cute witchy vibes. So yeah, that's number one. Super easy, super fast, and if you already have one at home and your hair is already done, just throw on a hat, put on a cute outfit, and you're ready to go. Okay, now down to our second hairdo. So I'm going to be grabbing my brush once again, brushing all of my hair back, making sure there's no tangles. I'm going to be pulling up my hair into a ponytail. If you have like little lumps, you can always brush them out. Okay. Actually, I'm going to grab two hair Tysons. This one's a little bit more looser. Make sure I got all of the hair. Grabbing my hair ties. Making sure I don't have lumps on the side. Bringing it up. So I want to be doing 3 loops just to make sure that my hair is nice and secure. Like that. I'm going to be grabbing a piece of hair from the back. So you always want to grab a piece of hair from the back. That way it won't be like super noticeable that you grab the hair from there. So I'm going to be grabbing this one. And I'm going to start braiding it. So just a regular braid. So super quick, super simple. Okay. And you don't have to do the whole strand. You only need a piece so we can cover the hair tie. We're going to be bringing it to the front, doing a second loop. We're going to be grabbing 2 bobby pins. And we're going to secure the back. Oh, grab the wrong part. We're going to be securing the back of the little braid. And I'm going to be crossing the bobby pins. That way it's nice and secure and it won't go anywhere. So there you go. Going to be grabbing a little bit of hairspray with my teasing comb, spraying the comb, and then I'm going to be just going on top of my ponytail just to smooth out all those little flyaways. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the sides of my hair, and then I'm going to be grabbing my fingers and then starting to pinch a little bit at a time just to get that extra volume in the front. If you like it completely flat, you can always go with flat. But for me, I prefer having a little bit of volume. I feel like when I have flat hair, I feel like a peanut, so I like having a little bit of volume. Okay, so there you go. Super cute, super simple. You can always like even use those hair ties or those scrunchies that have like a cute little print on it, and then you can just put it on. You can always wear a bandana if you want to wear like a little bandana. But here you go. Super cute, super simple. So we're going to be moving down to hairstyle number 3. Well, actually, yeah, if we count the hat one is 1, and then the second one is 2nd. So this one will be 3rd. So we'll go with number 3. So this is another cute, super simple and easy hair do that you can do when you're on the go. So I'm going to be sectioning it off on the side. Just like this. Brushing my hair down. Making sure that everything is nice and straight, no tangles. Oh, there goes a bobby pin from a previous video or clip. Okay, so that is all done. We're going to be grabbing our hair tie. We're going to be moving all of our hair to one side. Just like this. I'm actually going to be grabbing 2 hair ties since these are a little looser and I want to have a little bit of hold. So making sure that this is all nice and cute. And I'm going to start making a pony on the side. I'm doing 3 rounds since this hair tie isn't tight. So like that. I'm going to start pinching a little bit around my hair to get a little bit of volume. Oh. So same thing all around. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing my brush and combing the front of my hair. Same thing on the opposite side. It already looks cute and we haven't even finished. Okay, we're going to be grabbing our hair and then we're going to be grabbing a little bit of the hair tie and bringing our hair through it. Just like this. With the hair that we have left over right here, we're going to be molding it back into the bun. So we're going to be bringing it to the side, down. We're going to grab some bobby pins. And we're going to be pinning it. We're going to be doing the same thing with the rest of the hair. Just seeing where it lays and where it would look cute. Another bobby pin and pinning it. Just making sure that it's going to stay and be secure. I'm going to start pulling a little bit of hair out. Once we have already pinned the rest of the little baby hairs, you can grab a couple more bobby pins and make sure that everything is nice and secured. Pushing it down, making sure that the bobby pins are holding your hair. Gonna be pulling this a little bit. And there you go. Looks super cute, super elegant, and you can pretty much rock it to anything. So yeah, there you go. There's our 3 super easy, simple little hairdos. that you can rock at any occasion. If you're a mom like me, you know that we don't have a lot of time. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm going to be posting a bunch of new videos. Have a beautiful day.